Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 7, Lesson 7. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to find the unit price for a given item. Unit prices give the cost per one unit. This is especially helpful when you're comparison shopping to find the best deal. When finding a unit price, you always divide first the price by the quantity. Okay, so what we're trying to do is right now is get the unit price. So we're trying to figure out what it costs for just one. These three scenarios tell us what the cost is for more than one. We have to get the cost for one. To do that, we're going to say 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, that means that it costs me $4 for one book. Okay, make sense? All right, here we go. Remember, we always take the cost and we divide it. So 60 divided by 5 equals 12. So again, what does that mean? That means that it costs $12 for one scarf. All right. I forgot to get my pen in. 2 divided by 4. Well, this is where we have to make it into decimals. So 2 divided by 4. I'm going to put my decimal and my hidden 0. Can't go into 2, but it can go into 25 times. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, that means one banana costs 50 cents. Okay, great job. Let's go practice some more. All right, $20 divided by 8. Oops. Okay, so let's go down here. 20 divided by 8. 8 goes into 22 times. That gives me 16. Minus that, I get 4. Put a decimal, move it up. 8 goes into 45 times. Now remember, when we're talking about money, there's two numbers behind it. So behind the number behind the decimal, if it's not showing, it's a hidden 0. So the cost of one package is $2.50. Okay, so we have 30 water bottles. The cost for that is $8. So 8 divided by 30. Come down here. Can't go into 8, but it can go into 82 times. That gives me 60. That gives me 20. Bring down another hidden 0. Goes in there 6 times. 6 times there's 180. And notice we're going to have the same thing. So it's about 26 cents. So one bottle costs 0.26 something. Okay? All right, now it is your turn to try. I want you to work these 4 problems out, then come back and see if you got them correct. Remember to pause the video. Okay, so you should have done 20 divided by 3 is in there 18. Oh, goodness gracious, Miss Oakley's tired this morning. Should have done 3 divided by 20. Make it rephrase that. Goes in there once. That gives me that. Bring down another 0. Goes into 105. So it's 15 cents per ounce. That's how we abbreviate it. Okay, so $2.40 divided by 8 It can't go into 2, but it can go into 24 3 times. So 1 bar equals 0.3. We got to have 2 spots, so 0, 30 cents. Okay, taking 25.20 and dividing it by 9. 9 goes into 25 2 times. That gets me 18. That gets me 72 left over. 9 goes into 72 8 times. That's 72. That gives me 0. Okay, move my decimal. So 1 gallon of gas is going for 2.8, but we know it's money, so we have to add that 0 to make the second spot. All right, 0.96 divided by 3. Can't go there. You can go into 9 3 times. That's 9. Subtract that and get 0. Bring them 6. Goes in there 2 times. So 1 cupcake costs 32 cents. Great job. You're done with Unit 7, Lesson 7 video. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I will see you for the last lesson next.